Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Buddies podcast. The NetSuite 2022.1 upgrades are finally here, and ERP Buddies is excited to share them with you. If you're an existing NetSuite user, stay tuned as we share some of the most crucial features today in this podcast. Now, as we know, every year NetSuite releases two major product upgrades during the first and third quarter for NetSuite users all over the world. These upgrades are primarily meant to increase software and user performance. Let's get started. The NetSuite updates will be released in 3 phases into your production account, starting from mid-February until April 2022. Each customer gets assigned a release phase, and you can check your phase through the NetSuite Release Portlet on your dashboard. This NetSuite Release Portlet contains all the information related to the date and time of when your NetSuite account will be updated with the new 2022.1 release features. The Release Portlet also gives information on how every NetSuite customer can access their Release Preview account. To give you a quick insight about the Release Preview account, it's an account that helps you to test the new updates with your existing workflows to ensure that they are running smoothly without any hindrance. On the day of the update, customers don't need to do anything. All they need to know is that their NetSuite account will go offline for about a 2-hour period. However, do note that the NetSuite experts are so talented that most updates happen within a 30-minute window. One thing we do recommend is that the users must test out their NetSuite account in the Release Preview account, which will be available 30 days prior to your system being updated. NetSuite also recommends this to make sure that there are no surprises when the actual updates get pushed live. Therefore, we always recommend testing the NetSuite upgrades before they go live into your production account. A few things to get you started on the NetSuite release would be to take a look at our website under the Resources section, which can be found in the description box below. You can also visit our blogs and the NetSuite 2022.1 FAQ section to learn more about the release. We also have a NetSuite 2022.1 release summary note, which can be sent upon request. So don't forget to send an email inquiry into info@erpbuddies.com. That's info@erpbuddies.com. We will provide this in the description box below. So now that we know what makes these updates so important, let's dive into understanding some of the most crucial features. The agenda for today is a general overview of the NetSuite 2022.1 release. Then we have an introduction into the NetSuite Cash 360 and Project 360 dashboard. We also have enhancements to warehouse management and suite analytics. And finally, the NetSuite PAX station. NetSuite 2022.1 brings better control on financial forecasting and cash flow with Cash 360. NetSuite puts forth the new Cash 360 dashboard that provides an effective way to manage company cash flow, billing options, and much more in real time. The Cash 360 dashboard provides real-time insights into your company's cash position while also generating faster and more accurate cash flow forecasts to help you plan. We understand that financial departments may face a wide array of difficulties due to data in their company documents not being readily available, and to counter that, the Cash 360 dashboard acts as a type of configurable dashboard that can be populated based on your requirements. Companies can set up their dashboard to show real-time information such as accounts receivables, accounts payables, available cash, and any other relevant document data. To simplify things more, users can also review existing company cash flow and check for rolling 6-month cash flow forecasts based on existing trends for effective decision-making and faster payment collection. Another crucial differentiating point is that this release improves forecasting abilities by combining multiple financial data points, such as new funding, proposed expansion plans, future spending plans, billing schedules, sales, and much, much more, with open accounts payables and accounts receivables transactions. When historical customer transactions are coupled within this, it serves as a solid foundation to concrete your company's forecasting capability. Now let's talk about another problem area, which is data integrity. If the company's data integrity is not reliable, it wouldn't be uncommon for the financial departments to report errors. With NetSuite, users can directly interlink company purchase orders with sales orders to save time and effort. Now, with NetSuite 2022.1 release, users can automatically pair vendor invoices with credit, discounts, refunds, bill credits, and much more, making the job of the financial department much, much easier. Now that we've talked about the better management of the company finances, let's discuss some notable additions that will help better manage company projects and deliverables. Say hello to NetSuite's Project 360 dashboard for optimal project management. NetSuite 22.1 introduces the Project 360 dashboards within Suite Projects, a great tool that is designed especially for project managers. The aim of this dashboard is to bring all project-related information in a centralized dashboard for easy access. With Project 360, project managers can quickly browse through important project-related information such as due dates, ETA, project resources, finances, and more with just a click of a button. Project 360 also showcases important projects analytics such as actual versus total spend, budget utilization, wastage, and much more. These KPIs can be completely customized to showcase only the most relevant information to the project. Custom notifications can also be set up that trigger whenever a specific criteria is met. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is project billing, something that a lot of customers face a difficulty with. We understand that project billing can be a tedious task, especially when the customer demands unique information to be listed as an invoice. NetSuite recognizes this concern, and to tackle it, it brings in its new customizable invoice presentation template. The invoice presentation template allows users to configure each individual invoice and its content as per every client/project requirement. This makes billing super easy, as customers can readily see requested information right away, making it convenient to collect payments. We feel that the Project 360 dashboard is a great addition to Suite projects that can do great wonders for every project manager out there. Until now, we've talked about the Cash 360 dashboard and the Project 360 dashboard. Now let's dive into understanding the improved features for optimal warehouse management. NetSuite 2022.1 has brought new functionality to NetSuite Warehouse Management System that now allows for convenient warehouse management. Users can now utilize NetSuite's zone pick and merge functionality as part of the single or multi-order picking process. What does this mean? Warehouse managers or supply chain managers can now assign pickers to a specific zone while merging them during the staging phase. This helps to avoid redundant tasks and helps to limit picker movements to its zone as opposed to the entire warehouse. Not only does this increase flexibility, but it also decreases order fulfillment time for both singular or bulk orders that may or may not be from the same zone in a warehouse. Another amazing functionality that has been added to the NetSuite WMS is its ability to search and print labels from any screen. Users with permissions can also check the picking status of orders and waves. Waves as in a group of orders, just in case you didn't know. Now, let's talk about going green and how the new upgrade helps you with it. In today's age, going paperless is the only way to go. The new 2022.1 update introduces paperless sorting for group orders or waves where users can now release and approve multiple group orders with just a few clicks. But you might be asking yourself, what about inventory visibility? We understand that having an eye on inventory items is crucial for the optimal functioning of a warehouse, and the new tally scan functionality provides an easy way to count items while they are being scanned. This includes inventory tracking, cycle counting, and bin put away tracking as well. As you can see, the NetSuite warehouse management updates surely pack a big punch. But wait, there's more. These updates also introduce some sweet additions to the NetSuite Pack Station. With the new enhancement of the NetSuite Pack Station, users can now change weight metrics to either pound, kilogram, or much more as needed. Packers can also check for packing instructions before the task for packing starts, which will help to save time. Users can now bulk pack and unpack, ship as is items, and select preferred quantities for bulk packaging. On the other hand, users also have the option to bulk pack and unpack items that are being shipped individually. These new additions are going to prove invaluable to every company that operates and stores a huge volume of inventory. As you can see, the NetSuite 2022.1 upgrades surely packs a punch, and this is just a general overview. Don't forget to check out our blogs where we go into much more detail based on multiple industries such as manufacturing, wholesale distribution, retail, professional services, and much, much more. Make sure to contact us and our expert buddies, and we will guarantee a seamless transition into the NetSuite 2022.1 upgrade that not only improves your NetSuite functionality, but also increases your company productivity. Thank you so much for listening.
Preview. Preview. Preview.